Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we will see how to apply party-wise discount locks in Logic ERP. To begin, navigate to the Setup module from the main menu, then go to Party-wise Settings section and open the Party-wise Discount Locks window. In this window, you will find a variety of discount lock options such as Allow CD, Allow TD, and SPCD. First, select a customer and let us see what happens without allowing any of these options. In the entry mode, select the same customer and refresh. You can clearly notice that for this party, CD, TD, and SPCD are not allowed. Now, open the sales bill window and initiate a new transaction for this customer. Now try to enter CD, and you will notice that the value is automatically removed because the software is restricting the entry of CD, TD, or SPCD. Now, let's go back to the discount lock window, enable the Allow CD option for this customer, and save the changes. Now return to the sales bill. This time when you apply CD, you will notice that the CD is successfully applied in the bill as the discount lock has been enabled. Let's now review the remaining discount locks in batch entry. Here you can see options such as lock scheme in rupees, lock scheme rupees per unit, and stop billing if last CD is not cleared. Select another customer account, apply these locks, and save the changes. Then proceed to the sales bill window to observe the effect. Initiate a new transaction and press F5 on the item name to define a scheme in rupees. You will notice that it is restricted and not applied in the bill. Similarly, when the scheme per unit lock is enabled, any value you enter is locked and does not get applied in the bill. Now let's review the last option, stop billing if CD is not cleared. First, apply a CD in the bill and save the bill in credit mode. When you try to create another sales bill for the same customer, the software will restrict the entry and display a message stating that the previous CD amount is pending. Until the payment of that bill is cleared, billing for this customer will not be allowed. To resolve this, open the cash receipt voucher, enter the receipt for the previous bill, adjust the bill amount, after completing the entry, save it. Now, when you return to the sales bill and try to create a new bill, the software will allow it, as the last CD amount has been cleared.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.